My company is Amagi Media Labs. We are Bangalore based, and what we do is we split national television to regional levels to enable regional advertising to a city, to a state, or to a region. So that's what we do primarily. So since I worked in retail space for almost 10 years, 5 years in lifestyle retail and about 5 years in telecom retail. So, the challenges at those time when we were working were, gross margin returns on floor space, gross margin returns on inventory, gross margin returns on labor. So we would calculate things differently. What I understand from my understanding today, from an outsider's perspective, is the e-retail primarily is, the kind of the e-space, how it's managed, the customer, how it's managed, and inventory, how it's managed. So the challenges are obviously very different for e-retail. So innovation in marketing is not an option today. Naturally, everyone wants to save money and costs. And Lord Leverhulme had this wonderful saying that half the money he spent on advertising is wasted, and the problem is he didn't know which half. So that's the typical conundrum that faces any modern day marketing professional, where the choices on media are so many, and yet you don't know which is really working for you. And the issue is, e-commerce retail, all said and done, if you want to go on television, which is the place where one has to build a brand, has to compete finally with the big daddies, and the big daddies have 2,000 to a least of about 50 crores to spend. And how do you play in that space, and how do you establish a brand? All said and done, a brand is established on television, there's no doubt about it. You can't really outshout them. So innovation is not really an option, it's a given. So I'll just run through this quickly. I mean, this is the marketing funnel. This is a typical media mix that one would use. You would use events, exhibitions, online search, Facebook, display, social networking, websites. And you would also use mass media to create the basic level of awareness. And that's finally always required to achieve a particular amount of critical mass where you want to create some kind of awareness for the brand or the e-commerce website. And this is the kind of correlation between advertising and effectiveness. So television advertising is seen to be the most effective when it builds a brand. And it also, appeals to the emotional part of the human nature, and hence television advertising is, because it hits you on all 5 senses. So there's a rich audio, visual, better reach, and ideal for brand building. Also, television advertising is seen to last longer from a advertising impact, meaning when you stopped advertising, you still have a spillover impact in terms of awareness in the market. Also, in absolute reach terms, it's good, and then targeted ads. So then it goes back to the national advertising, and this is a seamless, jitter-free experience. So a consumer who's the television audience or the viewer can never make out the difference whether this is a national ad or this is a local or regional ad. So that's what we do. That's what our technology is. We have applied for 3 hardware patents and 3 software patents, and we're hoping that they should get through here sometime this year. These are the kind of channels we work with. We work with the Network 18, we work with the Times Group, we work with South channels as well, Sun TV Group for Karnataka, and the MAR TV Group in Andhra Pradesh. We have a few case studies I just wanted to highlight. I'll take just another 3 or 4 minutes. Maidala, we had a very good case study. This is really bad. I'll mail this to you. It doesn't make for very good viewing. But essentially, there was a 35% increase in their upside on their website traffic once they came on to advertising with us, and that too on a targeted basis. They were looking at the metro cities only. They used entertainment channels with us along with the news channels. UTV Movies, Zoom, IBN7, Times Now, and they were primarily metro-centric audiences which they were focusing on. And they worked on it for about we've had a sustained campaign for almost 5 months. And some kind of, this is like hypothetical, but we see some kind of correlation between advertising and, the daily reach, what you would very bare minimum calculate, and also the page views. So where I have put in the arrows is approximately when the advertising started. So there is some broad correlation, though there are several other factors which I'm sure Mr. Kashyap also will throw light on what enables an e-commerce website to then, really build and grow forward. EaseMetro was also one of our clients. Again, a small e-commerce retailer wants to grow big, has great ambitions. Worked again with us for about 3 months, took 4 channels from us, and did 2 segmented advertising. He did 2 phases, 2 months at one go and 2 months at another go. Both had some kind of correlation in the kind of traffic that hit their website.